a shaky start to our day. A magnitude 3.1 earthquake struck East Freehold, New Jersey in Monmouth County. While it is relatively common to have these on planet Earth, earthquakes are not something we see very often here in South Jersey. The last time we saw one was back in 2018, and that was a weak one in Burlington County. Now, as we look at where it was felt, it was mainly in Monmouth and Middlesex counties, but still, some areas down south in our area did. Everybody see these purples, like Little Lake Harbor and Eagleswood, and over in the Barnegat, all felt some kind of at least weak rumblings during the early morning hours for our Wednesday. Now, let's transition over to what's happening now, and that is some wet weather. About 10% of our morning was wet, and on average, you can expect about 10% of your afternoon to be wet, 10% of your night to be wet, 10% of your Thursday morning to be wet. In all, yes, there will be showers around, but it's far from a washout. We'll see a little bit more activity as we go into Thursday afternoon and evening as we transition from showers into thunderstorms. But it will be showers here for this morning, mainly along the shore, but anywhere can still see one, and that will continue into this evening. And tonight, it's mainly dissipating at that point, but then this rain that you see here will eventually work its way up as we go into Thursday. In terms of rainfall totals, generally on the lighter side. Can't make it see 0.4 of an inch, but otherwise we're talking about generally less than a half for many of us here in South Jersey, and some of you could be completely dry. We'll have clouds with showers for the early and mid-afternoon, but then as we get towards sunset, we should actually see a little bit of clearing come through. It's only for a few hours, though. The clouds will come back for 8 o'clock. High temperatures are pretty much what you're seeing now in the mid to upper 70s. For our daytime planner, if you're cutting the lawn, you'll have dry time, but there will be some wet lawns to talk about, as well as some rain. Beach and pool time still not bad either, but if you're painting your place, or maybe you wanted to pave your driveway, I don't think many of you are, but if you are, not the best day for that. Outdoor exercise is still looking good. You should be able to easily squeeze in a half hour, an hour's worth of outdoor time for that. For tonight, we'll see spotty showers throughout the night, mainly during the evening. You'll want the air conditioners on. Temperatures will be quite mild here for early September, about 5 to 10 degrees above average. Then as we go into Thursday, notice more of these bright colors on the radar. These are thunderstorms that are going to work its way throughout the day, and we see this into the afternoon as well. In fact, we could even have a line of storms that pushes through during the later portions of the evening. Now, where we do see some of these repeated showers and storms, we will see heavy rainfall, and this is a look at a few different model runs what the accumulated precipitation would be. You see some of these brighter colors, that's 2 to even 3 inches of rain. Point being, you see these brighter colors kind of move around throughout the map. Somewhere we'll see some heavy rain, but it's too early to be told exactly who will see that heaviest rain. They'll be quite isolated in nature. So for Thursday, it's a warm, muggy day. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s here. Isolated areas of roadway flooding with these spotty storms all throughout our Thursday. We'll dry out for Friday and Saturday, looking to be a great start in middle part of the weekend. But as we head towards our Sunday, showers and storms will be around, and we will even see some periods of rain too. It's looking more pessimistic for Sunday, unfortunately, here, and that will continue into Monday before we dry out as we go into Tuesday. Coming up at 6:30 tonight, we're going to talk to you more about the rain that will come, as well as the weekend ahead. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can always come back to our website right here at thepressofac.com/weather.